Are you ready? Okay. Hi everyone. Today's video, which I'm throwing in the midst of all of my Christmas tutorials and winter tutorials, is just going to be about this cute little reindeer right here. So she just turned 6 months old a couple days ago, and so we just thought we'd kind of do an updated version of a video we made back in the end of July that was about our first 2 months together. So now we thought we'd talk about the last 4 months, making up her 6-month-old age here.
This video might take an hour. I don't know if she told you that, but
I don't think it'll take an hour. But judging from what happened before I started this video, there's probably going to be a blooper reel because, yeah, I might add some extra stuff at the end. So this video, like I said, is going to be about Miss Melody, and we're just going to quick mention her accomplishments. Right, yes. She can now sit all by herself, which is it's very exciting. She can just about stand by herself. Yeah, very little assistance, and sometimes we can let go even, and you're just good. Yeah, so she's super duper strong, and she doesn't really like crawling. I don't know. She doesn't want to be on her stomach really at all. We have to kind of entice her to do it with toys. That's it. And what is the one that she really likes? For toys?
Yeah.
She has
that spider.
Yeah, she's got a fluffy spider that you like your spider, don't you? I know. And she's got a singing Christmas tree that is it's beloved.
You can see that she's kind of the star of the show today. She's doing her own thing.
Yesterday, she discovered that she knows if she screams really, really loud, she can echo. And that has been kind of the favorite thing to do since then. So we've had about 24 hours of echoing, haven't we? Yeah, I know. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. So that's, kind of what she's been up to. So I know in the last video I said that we got her a Zen sack, and that significantly improved her sleep. She hit the 4-month sleep regression hard.
Yep.
Like, you don't even know.
Yeah, Daddy goes in and holds her hand at night, and she only sleeps while we're holding her hands. And if we let her do that for long enough, she finally is asleep enough for me to slowly, like really slowly drop her hand. Otherwise, she just wakes up, and she's all perky again.
Yeah. So we had a thing going for a while that was great, where she would sleep until like 8:30 or possibly 9:30 in the morning. Now, I'm hopeful that she gets to 7. That's awesome when you sleep until 7. Yeah, yesterday she was up at 4:30 and so peppy.
And never went back to bed.
No.
Really, I guess all day. I wasn't there, but...
Yeah, all day, 4:30.
Yeah, 4:30.
She's been good aside from not sleeping. She handles it like a champ. She doesn't seem to want to sleep or need to sleep or think anything about it,
no,
do you?
She doesn't care about sleep.
No, you're good. Yeah.
You want to mess with the tree?
Yeah, she's been thoroughly enjoying this whole Christmas decorations. Now you guys don't see this because all you see is this little bit behind me. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size Christmas trees and some small ones. So there's lights everywhere, and she just loves them. She loves all the lights. She loves all the action, all the music. Hi. Yeah, you've been really enjoying all this.
Hello.
She also discovered that when you're holding her, basically anything you can reach, so can she. So,
especially being that far out in front of us.
Right. So you can get to just about everything that you think so now, don't you? Yes. You're just getting to be so wiggly. Call her an octopus. Right. Call you an octopus. Yeah. What are you doing?
She's just leaning back. She's just chilling. She's hanging out, having a good time. Are you liking this whole thing? Yeah. She's like, this is fun.
So one thing that we've done to try to combat this sleep problem, and she's also having some digestive issues, is we took her to a chiropractor. And she's had 2 appointments, and I don't necessarily know that it's helping her sleep, but it has improved her general mood. So she used to kind of just get cranky.
No more.
And since she's gone to the chiropractor, she has been a happy little girl. Plus, she used to really hate her car seat. Like, we would dread going anywhere because of the car seat. And now she's completely fine. She's like, cool, I'm in a car seat. So yesterday, like I said, she got up at 4:30. Everyone got up at 4:30 because we were going to a craft fair and had to set it up, and it was an hour away. I slept on the way there, but she didn't. She sat there in a car seat silently playing with a penguin the whole time. And prior to that, if she was awake in her car seat, she was just angry.
She wouldn't let anyone sleep if she was in her car seat.
No, she would just not be happy. So,
let alone this one sleeping.
So she is so improved since the chiropractor, not with the sleeping, but with other stuff. So if anyone else has any issues with those types of things, it could very well be something that is
and I would say
related.
Don't wait as long as we did.
No, the whole time we're like, oh my goodness, I can't believe that the reason she was so upset when she was in her car seat is because obviously she was in pain because her back hurt, and now it's like, oh, well, she's so much happier, we're so much happier.
I don't know if it was so much pain though, I think it was just pressure.
Well,
so I don't think she was really in pain.
She wasn't happy. Any way you look at it, she wasn't a happy girl. And the other thing I wanted to mention quick is that we have a second set of matching outfits, and we had to decide if we wanted to be elves for this or if we wanted to be reindeer. But the fact is, she puked all over her elf suit yesterday, so reindeers it is.
Kind of narrowed down our choices for us.
Yeah. In future NIL videos, I'm going to include a little, you'll be able to tell which ones it is because it'll say Melody Minutes at the end of the title. And those videos are going to have either a couple photos of her at the end or a cute little video or just different things that are cute that she's done or, you know, whatever. Just to kind of add them if anybody's interested. Like I said, they'll be at the end of the video, so I'm not going to interfere with the design itself. If, you know, you're not interested, you can just get out of it. But if you like cute little things of this precious little girl, definitely check for that because there will be little clips and pictures of her.
There'll be plenty of it.
Coming up.
We've got all sorts of stuff.
There's a video that is hilarious that is her giggling. That's all you pretty much see is just a teeny tiny little giggle puss. And what you don't see, which is probably even funnier than the giggling baby, is this guy dancing for her. Hilarious. Unfortunately not in the video.
No. That was not going to be put in the video.
It would be awesome if it was.
I set up the camera purposely so you couldn't see me.
Oh, another thing is, you guys know Max if you have been watching my channel for over a year. We got Max about a year ago, almost exactly. She's a gray cat that's always seen eating plants behind me. And I'm actually surprised she's not lurking around here. I don't know. She disappears mid-afternoon for a while, every day.
Can Mama have her hair back?
So I don't know where she goes. But Max loves Melody to a crazy extent. They are best buds.
Inseparable.
Basically, you like your kitty too, don't you? Yeah, you like your kitty. And there have been times where Max is a guard cat around her. I don't know. This one time, my sister came over and was like, "Oh, Melody!" I was gonna pick her up, and Max came and she stood between the two of them. And she's looking at her like, no, you're not.
Try me.
Don't touch that baby. That's my baby."
See what happens.
So that's pretty funny.
Are you eating your finger? Yeah, she does that a lot too. Just kind of as a side note.
Yeah.
You eat your finger quite a bit.
She doesn't suck on them. She just chews them. And she chews in general. Like if you're chewing, if we're eating and she's watching us, she'll just look at you and go and stare you down and chew.
It's as if she can vicariously taste through us eating.
Yeah, so she sits there and she'll watch us eat and she'll chew with us, which is really actually pretty hilarious. She's been trying not so much, but she's been trying big girl food. I was going to say people food, but she's a people, so any food she eats is people food. Yeah. She is on a fruit diet because she's been having some tummy troubles. So she's eating prunes, apples, and then some mixes that have prunes and apples in them.
Which one's your favorite and which one's your least favorite?
Prunes are definitely the least favorite.
Yep. We can't
mango?
give them to you.
Mango probably is a favorite.
That could be.
She likes mangoes. Yeah.
I think mangoes are good.
She
might get that from us.
She's been getting kind of a mix of things, but and it
hi,
has been helping. So she actually started eating some food a little earlier than they would normally recommend, just to try to get her system moving.
Well, she was asking for it though.
Yeah,
I mean to a point where it was like we can't not give her something.
Well, yeah, there was one time she was sitting on my lap and I was eating lunch, and all of a sudden she reached forward and she stuck her fingers into a huge bowl of sauce and in her mouth. I'm like, oh.
And here it starts.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's quick.
What do you?
So anyways, like I said, we're sleep deprived and it's been fun. And as far as like my videos go for the rest of this season, I have almost never uploaded as much as I have planned uploading for the rest of December. So if you guys are looking forward to that, I mean, it's it's like craziness. So I have been working my butt off.
Yeah, she's got quite the array of nails coming, so just stay tuned.
Yeah, it's been crazy. So I hope you guys enjoy this funky little video. I know we kind of are all over the place, but in our defense, we don't sleep anymore, so keeping things organized just doesn't happen. But
It's okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's
I hope
okay.
you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully got a laugh out of it. I know watching back in like a year or so, we're probably going to laugh at each other, which is pretty normal.
And then we
Right.
got something to show her when she can watch it attentively. Yeah. You'll know who you even are.
So, yeah. So please check back for all of those future videos. And if I decide to upload a blooper reel, which I probably will, I will upload that as well. Bye! Say bye, Melody.
Can we
Say
wait?
bye!
Here, you get Mama's hair. Let's wait.
Oh.